Now, you know, big ideas are made in small spaces. So I'm here at the Integrate show in Sydney, and I found something really cool that will help you do exactly that. Let me show you. So this is the Jabra PanaCast 40 video bar system. And this is a smart video conferencing system designed for small spaces. So Jabra is finding that with more people coming back to the office, plus hybrid work environments, that it's more important than ever to have small spaces to meet and collaborate. So smaller rooms can be a real challenge to get everybody to fit in equally, especially on camera. And that's exactly what this is designed to do. So look, I think it's a clean and compact design here. It looks good. Plus the cameras are situated right here. Now there are two of them, two 4K, 4x zoom cameras, and they stitch together seamlessly a 180-degree view. Now these are AI cameras and they're really smart, so they're able to capture a bunch of different viewing modes. Now this could be 4 people across the screen at the top, plus a context window of the entire view of the office beneath it. Or it can zoom in dynamically on the person that's speaking, or have a nice wide view of the room, putting everybody shoulder to shoulder, making sure that they all have an equal view. So this is an Android-based video conferencing system, which makes it a lot easier to manage. Plus it's compatible with Zoom, Microsoft Teams, as well as bring your own device systems. Jabra's thought about accessibility as well. So for hard of hearing participants, this will integrate with Auracast to seamlessly connect to hearing aids. Audio is incredibly important for good video conferencing, so it's great that there are 6 beamforming microphones inside here, and these are able to zero in on the person that's talking. Plus there's another speaker here so everyone can hear clearly. Now you can get it all set up in just 12 minutes. Plus, check out this really cool idea. It can be configured right in the box itself without even taking it out and then sent on to the customer. That's smart. Well, Jabra's PanaCast 40 video bar system, I think, is a really innovative idea, and it's perfect for a modern workplace. So if you're interested, reach out to your IT or AV partner to find out more.